Okay guys, so now I'm gonna learn you how to make a basic shop/shop GUI in Roblox Studios. So first you're gonna go to Starter GUI and click Screen GUI. You can call this whatever you want, whatever you're gonna call. So I'm gonna call it a shop. Okay. So in the shop you wanna add a frame. The frame is what the player's gonna be visible when they press the button. The button I'm gonna make like in a sec. So you hold this so it can be middle, so people will actually like it's very good in middle. So we're gonna call it a frame. We're gonna call it the shop. Why not call it the shop? You can do whatever you want with the shop. You can do a UI corner. The UI corner actually makes it like that. It just looks kind of clean, not gonna lie. So what you want to do in this is like what the player will see if it like opens a button. But we're gonna make later on. So what you want to do is go the shop and like let's make it a clothing shop or a car shop. Let's make it a car shop. You put it above here, basically like that, just like that. Nothing really special. You put on car shop. Okay, so that's gonna be the car shop. So if you want this to be a UI corner too, you add a UI corner. You can here put how much you want. Let's make it 10, 0.10. Okay, then it's gonna be like that. But let's make it like a little bit better and let's put it on right there. Like that. Doesn't that look clean? A little bit, I guess. So if you want the background color to be changed, you just put it like that and you make it like that. But let's make it a little bit dark and let's search our background color sheet, background transparency, and then make it a little bit like that. And let's do it with the shop too, with the thing. Let's make the background a little bit dark and let's make the background transparency a little bit like that. Perfect? No, because that's still there. So we do it like that. Doesn't that look a little bit clean? Okay, yeah. So now you added a text label to the shop. And now you want to add, what you want to add is a text button, a text or image button. What you can do with that is actually put the picture of what you want to buy. So let's now just put this tutorial is going to be how to go from this to another frame to actually go to another frame. So let's put a little bit of buttons like that. So actually let's select all that. Let's press Ctrl D and then let's put it down. Let's press another time Ctrl D. I'm not gonna fill all this up, just like that. Oh, that looks disgusting. Okay, like that. So now you see we have that. So let's put this one to this. You can put whatever you want. Now I'm just showing you how to make it like look very clean, you know. So now this button, we're gonna call this button name. Let's call it Lambo. The Lambo. Let's just call it the Lambo. And the parent is always the shop because you made it in the shop. You always need to make it in the frame. You always need to make that in the frame. So now let's change the name to, let's change button to Lamborghini. I don't know if I tapped it good or not, but very sorry. And then let's open this out. Let's change it the style. The style like text, the style text to another thing like that. Looks kind of clean. Then let's go here. Then let's do the background color. Let's make that a little bit blue. No worries. So then in this, no, not in that. Yeah, actually, we'll make another shop in the frame. We'll make another frame, and this one always got to be invisible. So this one, sorry for that. This one's gonna be like exact the reach. We're just gonna make it exact the same, like UI corner. The UI corner is gonna make that a little bit cleaner, but let's make it the same as before because of course we gotta make that the same. So now you have this frame, and you always want like the text label of the same. So you press Ctrl C and you click here, paste into. Okay, now you have the same. Ctrl Z to go back, and then you just changed it to Lamborghini. Okay, so let's make this a little bit invisible. Here, invisible, turn on. So this is the Lamborghini. Let's make the frame, background color black, a little bit black, and then the background transparency up like that. Okay, so you want actually to look to let this like see beautiful, pretty. So let's first change the name from frame to Lambo shop. Okay, so in this Lambo shop you're gonna add a image. Look, if you click here you can always see here, so let's add an image label. Okay, so let's put this like this. Okay, like that. And then if you want to change this to whatever you like or something, like here you see image label, and you need to place the link here. Okay, so let's go to Roblox and let's search up Lamborghini. In Creator Marketplace. You go to images. Okay, so which one do you choose? One car. You choose a car that you want to have in your like picture, or you can make it yourself, of course. That can always be. Okay, let's use this one. Just you copy this, Control C. It's just the ID, just this letters. Go back to Roblox Studio and you paste it into image. Boom. Now you see it like that. Looking kind of good. But then you can always change the background color to whatever you like. Boom. And then you'll just add a UI corner to this so that it looks clean. And then you can add the text button. Let's add a text button. By the way, in this video I'm not gonna show you how to spawn in cars. I'm just gonna show you how to make a good looking model for to buy to actually just a GUI the shop. So here we can add purchase. Okay, so first I'm gonna add a UI corner to this because if one time you use a UI corner, that's almost every time you gotta use a UI corner. You gotta change it to UI 10, and then okay, so that needs to be put here. Exact good. Background color like that. Doesn't that? Nope. And the background color gotta be a little bit darker. Purchase. Okay. The text we're gonna make here a 14. We're gonna update it till it's like a little bit clean. Okay, like that. And you go to the text button. Here is a purchase, and then you can always make it a little bit prettier to actually. Here is the purchasing. You can always make it a little bit prettier and actually add information of the thing. Let's make a text box. Oh, let's move this to here. Let's do this a little cleaner. Okay, so this you can always, like always, we gotta add a no. Here, yeah, of course, you add a UI corner, change the transparency, you change the color to a little bit of the style of thing, and then you No, let's not use it like that. Let's just use like that. Text label like that. You just add the same things, everything the same. And let's just call this car information. Let's just make the text a bit bigger. Let's just add the UI corner to this. Okay, doesn't that look okay? Car information, and then you add a text box. Okay, so you add it like right here, add it a little bit bigger so it looks like very clean. Okay, so now it types in the middle. Sorry, I don't know how to fix that because very sorry. Then let's just use normal text things. Text label, we put it in, we put it in the outline, I put it in the middle. Where can I change it again? I forgot. Text line, put it left. Boom. We put it left. And we'll add here speed of car, speed, max, speed, max speed is like 500 mph. Um, like that. And let's just put that little bit of bigger. Then let's change the yeah. Then let's change the background color to a little bit white. Okay. So here, what you can always do, your car, you can add whatever you want. Whatever the information of the script of the car is, you just put it right here in the thing. Okay. So now actually, we're gonna make the actual script for it to open. So you always gotta make the things invisible. Oh, sorry. Got to put always this into here. Gotta reorganize it like that. Then you close this, you make this invisible. Okay, so now it's not visible. So now you actually add a text button. You add open car shop. You can always name this whatever you want. You put the backgrounds to like that. And you always add background transparency so the people can actually look through if there's something behind it, and it's actually important to see things behind it. So then you're going to go to open car shop. You make the text a little bit wider. You make it a little bit. Let's just look for something cool. Open car shop like that. I use it in my own server like that. In my own creating like that. Okay, you add a UI corner to that. Okay, so now it looks like that. You put it. Always you're gonna put it like that. So in the real world you will see it like that. But now I'm gonna put it right here so that you can actually see it. Let's put it in the middle, a little bit in the middle. Boom. Okay, so in this you will need to add a local script, and you will need to do that was the thing, and you will need to do local player no wait, I will be right back. Script.parent dot mouse button one click, it connects the function. I just had a little breakdown there because I didn't know. Then you add script dot parent dot the add script dot parent dot the shop, the parent dot, no, then you add player dot script dot parent dot the shop dot visible dot is select on true. You can make it like that, or if you want it, if you click on it and it's automatically goes invisible not, you go. If not, you just make the parent dot the shop visible like that. And now let's test the script. Let's put it right up here so that people can middle here for well. Go to play. Okay, so now it looks like that. Boom. Open Lamborghini. We didn't make a script for that yet. So now look, you can open close it. Very easy. Okay. So now if you want the button from the leverage from the shop to actually go to the Lamborghini, it's not that difficult actually. Go to Lambo, we go local script, we do script dot parent dot mouse button one click slash command. Okay, so I found the script. You gotta make the Lambo script into the Lambo script. You add a local script. This one is gonna actually open the Lambo script, so it's invisible and gonna turn like in the script. The script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent for all that. Shop dot Lambo shop visible true. Okay, so let's actually book that and turn it invisible. So let's test out the script. Okay, open car shop, Lamborghini, boom. It's all true. But what we gotta do is we actually turn the shop invisible. So if you click on Lamborghini, you're gonna make the other script visible. So you actually just copy the script, paste it in there, you put parent, and you actually make the shop visible false. So now if you turn it on, you make boom, Lamborghini, the other script is now turned invisible, and yeah, and then you just do that. But now you want, of course you want a close button that people don't need to be there for like all the time and they need to join. So what we're gonna do is in the Lambo shop and make it visible again, we're gonna add a text button right here. We'll make it a UI corner. I love UI corner, I don't know why. And you make the background color, of course, the same theme. No, you don't. Make it close. You put right close. You put the text or scan to whatever you want, like that is okay. Then you go into the close button. You make another local script. Script the parent. Mouse button one click. The mouse button one click is if you click with the mouse button one click, you actually connect to the function that I'm gonna do right now, to the function, and it's gonna go to script the parent shop Lambo shop visible is gonna false, so it's actually gonna turn the visibility of the Lambo shop by itself to false. So now the close button is like that. Okay, so you actually make everything invisible again, and then you go to play. Okay, like that. And in the game, open car shop. Car shop looks like that. I want to see this Lamborghini. Okay, Lamborghini max speed 500 kilometers an hour. Close it. But what you want to do too is if you close the Lambo shop, it closes everything. It opens the shop again. I don't know if you want to do that, but let's try and do that. So I'm close, yeah. Oh shit, like that. You just copy this, you paste it again here, and you do Lambo shop, and you change it by the shop visible. True. I didn't make it visible, but now we can see either way. Close, boom, visible, true, and then you just click here. Or you can also, you can always, the scripts are just all the same, of course, but they help a lot. So the shop, we're gonna make in the shop, we also gonna make a text button visible true. We're gonna make a text button right here that says close, or if you're just intelligent, not like me, you Control C and then paste into, boom, that's all the same scripts, and like that. So let's go in the game, and like that you have a working car shop GUI. Boom, this car you're gonna get this car, and if you want to purchase it, you purchase it. So your own scripts are gonna be in the purchasing. And then we close this, and then we close that. Oh shit, the close doesn't have to be like that. The close button just has to be script dot parent script dot parent dot mouse button one click connects to the function that I'm gonna type now. Script dot parent dot the shop dot parent dot the shop dot the parent dot shop dot the shop visible, and then we're gonna turn it like that to false. Alright, so like that you have a fully working car shop GUI for your own car game. Car shop, Lamborghini, purchase, car info, close, boom. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later, and also join my group. Bye.